Now basically there are two popular approaches by which the conversions can be done. That is, conversion of your DFA to regular expression can be done by two methods. One is by state or loop elimination, and another one is your Arden's theorem. Right? So you need to eliminate state or loops, then we can get a regular expression for the given DFA. So let's go to the first method, how we can proceed with the state or loop elimination. Now whenever we are dealing with the problems, if a finite automata is being given, so let us say that I have been given the state in this way, in which the transition is given as A, B. Right? Now whenever I want to make this thing as a simple regular expression, what I do is that if you see a transition from Q0 to Q1 and Q1 to Q2, यहाँ पे सिर्फ A and B compulsory है. Then what I can do, I can eliminate this particular state. So what will happen with that? I will have a state Q0 and directly Q2. Instead of writing Q1, I have written A dot B. क्योंकि anyway Q0 से Q2 को आने के लिए, और हमेशा याद रखो start state should always exist and final state should always exist. So whenever I am moving from start state to end state, I can eliminate any other intermediate state, but I cannot eliminate start state, neither final state. क्योंकि कहीं से तो शुरुआत करनी होगी, that is your start state, and you have to reach somewhere that is called as the final state, right? So this is elimination of your state. So you can see the regular expression for this diagram now will be equal to AB. Right? Let's come to one more problem, few more steps to understand how elimination is being done. If you're given a state in this way, Q0, Q1, Q2, and you have state, let us say Q3, which is giving me B transition and going to final state with A. Okay, so you can see when you're moving from your start state to end state, you can go Q0, Q1, Q2, or you can go Q0, Q3, Q2. Now, in this case, Q2 as a final state, we cannot eliminate that particular state, right? So what I can do, I can eliminate Q1 state and Q3 state. So with this, I will have the condition, it will be Q0 and directly to Q2, in which I have eliminated Q1 state. So this will become A, B, right? Similarly, when I can eliminate Q1 state, naturally I can eliminate my Q3 state also, because this is an intermediate state. So what will happen? This can either move in this way. So it will be BA. So you can see you have two loops that is moving from your start state to your end state. Now when I further simplify this, I can write this thing as Q0 and this is Q2 state, AB, comma, BA, where comma indicate OR. As we know, comma indicate OR. So there will be a regular expression which will be AB or BA. So this is how you're going to eliminate the things. Let's come to one more problem. Now the state has been given as Q0 on A goes to state Q1, and I have a transition of say A and B, and similarly I have a transition over here for Q3, that is B and A, right? Now I'll ask students, आपको मैं पूछती हूँ तो आप मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप लोग को समझा है. Gaurav, which state can be eliminated from this? Student, मैं जब क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ तो लीव मत करो मीटिंग. दिस इज फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बिकॉज आई शुड नो व्हाट डेप्थ यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. Aditya Chavan, which state can be eliminated? कादम्बरी, कोमल, can you tell me which state can be eliminated? Pradnya, guys, at least reply something so that I know that you have not just logged in and left the meeting and went away. Preeti, Preeti Chavan, can you tell me, my question is very clear, which state can be eliminated? Can I eliminate Q0 state? Can I eliminate Q1 state, Q2 state, Q3 state? इसमें से कौन सा state मैं eliminate कर सकती हूँ? रितु गायकवाड़, Sachin, not in single person. Student, at least just
Ma'am, we can eliminate Q2 and Q3.
we can eliminate Q2
and Q3, not
Q3.
Not and Q2.
Okay, absolutely correct. As Sachin has told that we can eliminate Q2 and Q3 because we cannot eliminate the start state and the end state, right? So what we can do, we can eliminate Q2 and Q3. So in that case, my diagram will become something like this. It will be Q0, final state remaining as it is, that is Q1 state. Now I want to eliminate Q2. So it will be a self loop of AB. Now this will be a dot product. There cannot be a comma because to reach to Q1, I need to go it in this way, right? यानी मुझे Q2 से फिर से Q1 को आने के लिए AB traverse करना होता है. It is not that either A or B. It is both together. So now it has been replaced by a dot product. Similarly, while we are eliminating the state Q3, you will have BA because you can see the arrow is moving from Q1 to Q3 with B and Q3 to Q1 with A. So it will be BA. Now, when we write, we cannot eliminate now Q0 to Q1. So this transition of A remains as it is. Now we cannot further simplify this. So it will be the regular expression that will be written will be A, which will be compulsory. A के साथ में क्या होना चाहिए? It can be either AB because this you can see there is a self loop, or BA, and whenever self loop is given somewhat like this, we represent with star, right? So this is AB or BA whole star. So this is how you're going to proceed for conversion of your DFA to regular expression with state or loop elimination. There are furthermore steps that can be done. We'll proceed with it slowly. Now we have generic one state machine and generic two state machine. अब वन स्टेट मशीन में क्या रहता है, आपको एक ही स्टेट दिया जाता है और उसमें से आपको करस्पॉन्डिंगली रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन निकालना होता है. सो वॉट एवर गिवन इट इन दिस वे, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट the regular expression for this particular machine. So whenever this is given, it is called as a generic one state machine, right? Now when we are talking regarding generic two state machine, so accordingly there will be two states given and there will be some transition given, and accordingly we have to find out the regular expression for the particular DFA, right? Now when we are talking regarding the generic two state machine, so I'll take an example for this. So a simple example is, if you have a state given it in this way, R1 and say Q1, and this is R3, R2, R4. ओके, तो देखो अभी मुझे यहाँ पर मैं कोई भी स्टेट एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ, राइट? व्हाट आई कैन एलिमिनेट इज दैट आई कैन एलिमिनेट दिस लूप. Now also there is a rule which says that you cannot eliminate loop from start state to end state, start to end. क्योंकि देखो आपको कभी भी हॉल्ट करना होगा तो नेचुरली आपको स्टार्ट स्टेट से एंड स्टेट को रीच करना ही है, राइट? सो इन दैट केस यहाँ पे देखो R3 को आप एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते. अगर ये मेन ही इनमें का लिंक चला गया तो रिवर्स यू कैन नॉट गो. फाइनल स्टेट से स्टार्ट स्टेट में आने में कोई पॉइंट नहीं है क्योंकि मशीन कभी हॉल्ट ही नहीं होगी. इसीलिए हमेशा क्या है, there is a rule which says that you cannot eliminate the loop which goes from the start state to end state. Okay, so we have to keep that particular state as it is. Now then, how to eliminate the loop? So in this case I can eliminate R4 loop, right? देखो मैंने R4 को eliminate करना है. अब R4 को जब मैं eliminate करूंगी, I can take the effect of the loop on either Q0 state or Q1 state. I repeat my sentence. Whenever I am eliminating a loop, I can take the effect on either of the state. Okay. Now when I am talking regarding taking the effect, that means अगर मुझे यहां से स्टार्ट करना है Q0 स्टेट से, तो घूम कर मैं कैसे आऊंगी और वापस Q0 पे कैसे आऊंगी, वो मुझे इफेक्ट उस स्टेट पे लिखना है, राइट? सो सी हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट Q0. Now I want to eliminate R4. Okay, just pay attention. I need to eliminate R4. So I can start from Q0, move around and reach to Q0. For that purpose, what I can do is that I can move this n number of times. So I am writing this as, देखो ये R1 जैसे कि वैसे मैंने लिखा है, लेकिन जब मैं Q0 से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, it will be R3, R2 star, R4. Getting it? What I have done? I have moved from Q0 to Q1 with R3. यहाँ पे self loop होगा, right? And then again I'll come here. This will be repeated n number of times, right? With this, I can eliminate this particular loop. But the loop from start state to end state remain as it is. So I have just eliminated this R4 loop. और बाकी का सब जैसे के वैसे मैंने लिखा. तो ये इफेक्ट किस पे दिया मैंने? Q0 स्टेट पे दिया कि Q0 से मुझे मूव करके वापस Q0 पर आना है, तो मैं कैसे करूंगी? करेक्ट? Now if I have to give an effect on, so I'll write here effect on Q0. Now I have to give effect on Q1. तो इसका मतलब मैं Q1 से स्टार्ट करूंगी, ऐसे मूव करूंगी कि दोबारा से Q1 पे आ जाए, राइट? सो आई विल हैव, मैं Q0 जैसे के वैसे रखती हूँ, उसका R1 जैसे के वैसे रखा है, start state to end state. I'm not going to eliminate that, so this will be R3. इसका loop जो है R2 as it is plus. Why I'm writing in loop plus? Because it will take now this one loop. So it will be R4, R1 star, R3. तो ये कितने बार भी घूमने दो, R4, R1, R3, R4, R1 star, R3. You can give the effect on your state Q1. Right? So this is how we are going to proceed. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? क्योंकि ये आपको MCQ क्वेश्चन में भी पूछा जाता है, इसीलिए मैंने इसको बहुत आराम से लेने की कोशिश की है. Shall I start with the problems then, if you all have understood? Okay, let's start with the first problem. This is the basic technique that we are going to use for in our state or loop elimination. Now, the given problem is that find regular expression for given 3-state machine. ठीक है, 3-state machine दी गई है, अभी हमको हमें regular expression निकालना है. Now, given is for Q0 there is a self loop of A, there is a state Q1, now this will go to D, with E back to Q0, self loop of B, and Q2 is the final state, and this is giving me F, and this is giving me, let us say, G, and a self loop of C. Now see, when you are solving problem like this, first we need to analyze which loop we can eliminate or which state we can eliminate. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग Q0 और Q2 को तो eliminate कर नहीं सकते, right? I can eliminate Q1, but Q1 के साथ में associated you can see so many links are there or loops are there. So what I need to do is that I need to first eliminate the loops now. So you can see I can eliminate E loop and I can eliminate G loop. Okay. Now for eliminating E, I can give effect on Q0 or I can give effect on Q1. Similarly, when I'm talking regarding G, I can give the effect on Q1 or I can give the effect on Q2, right? So let us say that I am giving the effect on Q1, यानी जो भी तुम्हारा लूप वाला थिंग है वो अभी Q1 पे लिखेंगे हम लोग. So how it will be? Q0 state with A as it is, Q1 state, D kept as it is, right? Now when I'm eliminating E, so I should see that it will start from Q1 state and reach back to my Q1 state. So when I start from Q1, my loop will be E, A star, D. See, E, A star, D. Why I'm taking A star? Because A is having a loop, right? So it will be E, A star, D. So I give a self loop which will take B plus, because B as it is I need to keep it, E, A star, D, right? And let us say that in the first step I have kept my G loop as it is. मैंने G को जैसे के वैसे रखा है. Next step में मैं उसको eliminate करती हूँ. So up till this part clear. Now I will be eliminating now G. To eliminate G, I can take effect on Q1 or on Q2. But since we are taking this is a middle state, I will try to take the loop on Q1 state. So my machine will be Q0 remaining as it is. Now Q1, this D remaining as it is. B plus EA star D remaining as it is. Now I want to eliminate G, right? So I need to give the effect on Q1. Q1 पे effect देने के लिए मैं कैसे move करूंगी ये मैं देखूंगी. So it will be F C star G, right? Q1 से F C star G. And this entire thing will be on the loop क्योंकि ये n number of time repeat हो सकता है. Remaining F as it is I have kept and Q2 state as it is with a loop of C. Now if you observe this part, I can eliminate the Q1 state, right? To eliminate Q1 state, how I'm going to proceed? I will write Q0, a self loop of A. अब देखो जब मैं Q1 को eliminate करूंगी लेकिन D और F तो कंपलसरी है और बाकी की जो सेल्फ लूप है यहाँ पर, ये जो सेल्फ लूप के अंदर B plus EA star and so on is there ना, that is a whole star. That means it is somewhat like this. It's a clean closure. So when we write A, that is A star. तो ये जितना भी आपके elements है, this entire thing is going to work as a star now. Because if you consider this A, तो ये Q1 का A star हो जाएगा, right? So I'll be writing it in this way. To move to Q2 state, compulsory मुझे D देना है और compulsory F रहना है, because this will be there, Q0 to Q1 and Q1 to Q2. But in between, you can have B plus EA star D plus FC star G or जिस सबका whole star. Getting it? Why whole star? Because there was a self loop over here which was similar to your clean closure, that is A star. And Q2 ka C as it is we are going to write. Now whenever we want to write the regular expression will be in this way. Ab A will become A star because there is a self loop. Remaining D, B plus EA star D plus FC star G F, right? And then after F, you will have C star. So this is the regular expression for the given three-state machine. Anybody, any doubt in this? Student, any doubt? आपको डाउट नहीं है तभी मैं प्रोसीड करूंगी क्योंकि to understand this you need to apply your logic. That's it. Anybody, any doubt? Shall I proceed to the next problem? Okay. I'll take two problems based on this and then we'll stop. Now if you see the next problem, that is we need to find the regular expression. The question is find regular expression for the following DFA. And the DFA given is in this way: Q0, Q1, this is on 0 and this is on 1. And there is a self loop of 0 and 1. Now if you see, as I told you, we cannot eliminate Q0 to Q1 transition. So I cannot eliminate 0. But I can eliminate this 1. Right? So to eliminate 1, I can either give the effect on Q0 or I can give it on Q1. Let us say that I am giving the effect on Q0. ठीक है? तो मुझे Q0 से मूव होके वापस Q0 आने के लिए I need to take this 0, then 0 और 1 का combination and 1, right? So my machine will appear somewhat like this. It will be compulsory 0, 0 plus 1, isn't it? There is a self loop of 0 and 1. To this we will give whole star क्योंकि ये अभी loop में है. And then compulsory 1. And to move to Q1, I will have a 0 with the elements of Q1 remaining as it is. Therefore, you can say the regular expression that will be formed will be, अब देखो ये और तो हम कुछ eliminate नहीं कर सकते, कोई भी state नहीं कर सकते. So it will be 0, 0 plus 1, whole star 1, and in सबका whole star, right? Because there is a self loop over here. Then this 0 as it is placed here, so I'll place this 0 as it is here, and this 0 or 1 I need to place it here, that is 0 or 1 whole star, right? So this will be your regular expression for the given transition. Let's take one more problem and then we can stop. So the given machine is in this way. We need to find the regular expression for the given DFA, or you can say finite automata, whatever is being given. And the machine given is Q0, B, Q1, A. Q0 to Q1 there is an A transition, and Q1 to Q0 there is a B transition, and Q3 state there is a self loop of A and B with this A, right? Now I'll ask anybody, they should be able to say me which state or loop to be eliminated. Yes, Bilal. Bilal, are you there? निशांत पवार. ऋषि. आप लोग को आंसर देना नहीं है, समझ रहा है, ज्यादा समझ रहा है, कम समझ रहा है, कैसे पता चलेगा? एटलीस्ट एक बार तो आंसर दे दो, मैं हर बार तो नहीं पूछती हूँ, क्योंकि जब कॉम्प्लिकेशन बढ़ जाएगा ना, देन यू विल बी फॉलोइंग कि यार यार कुछ रह गया हम लोगों का। इसीलिए मैं अभी क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही हूँ, वरना मैं हर सेशंस में क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछती हूँ। यश, विक्रांत, I just want which state or loop to be eliminated.
हॅलो मॅम.
Yes, Priyanka.
Q1 स्टेट आपण एलिमेंट करू शकतो आणि बी वाला लूप एलिमेंट करू शकतो.
Yes, absolutely correct, Priyanka. So we need to eliminate. So we'll just start solving this. What we can do is that we have to eliminate the B. So we can give either the effect on Q0 or we can give the effect on Q1. Whatever it is, just see that आप जहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो वहां पे आपको एंड करना है. फिलहाल मैं इफेक्ट मान लो Q0 पे दे रही हूँ. तो मेरा स्टेट कैसे हो जाएगा? दिस विल बी Q0 B plus, why I'm giving in plus? Because I can take a loop of n number of time. So to reach from Q0 to Q0, it will be A B, A dot B, isn't it? So it will be AB. Then the state Q1 kept it as it is, and this Q3 state kept it as it is with the self loop of A comma B. Now what I can do is that I can eliminate the state Q2, right? To eliminate Q2, we just have to see that wherever transitions are there, we need to take care of those particular transition. But here you can see AA is just a compulsory condition. So what I can do is that I can give a transition of AA and I can give this as Q3 as it is and a self loop of A comma B. That means now the regular expression will become B plus AB whole star. इसका whole star किया है. AA and A plus B, since this is also a self loop, I'll give A plus B whole star. So this will be your final regular expression for the given 3-state machine. एक होमवर्क